Imagine waking up one day and realizing the job you studied no longer needs humans. Not because people stopped working, but because machines became faster, cheaper, and smarter. Right now, AI is writing articles, creating videos, answering customer calls, designing graphics, and even helping doctors make decisions. Some experts believe millions of jobs could disappear in the next few years. Others believe AI will create entirely new careers we've never imagined. So the real question is, what is actually happening to the world of work? First, what is AI? Artificial intelligence is machines trained to perform tasks that normally require human thinking, like writing, speaking, recognizing images, and solving problems. The difference is simple. AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't get tired. And it keeps improving every month. A few years ago, AI struggled to generate basic images. Today, it can create videos, voices, music, and full presentations. So why are companies rushing into AI? One word: efficiency. If a company can replace 100 workers with AI systems, it saves massive amounts of money. No salaries, no breaks, no complaints. That's why banks, hospitals, schools, and even movie studios are adopting AI rapidly. Some call this the next industrial revolution. But this time, it's mental labor being replaced. Let's talk about jobs already being affected. Customer service is one of the first. AI chatbots can answer thousands of questions instantly. Many companies now use AI before a human ever responds. Data entry jobs are disappearing fast. AI processes information in seconds. Even design work is being automated. Logos, thumbnails, posters. AI can now write articles, emails, scripts, and captions. Translation jobs are also being replaced by real-time AI systems. Self-checkout systems are replacing cashier jobs worldwide. Even programming is changing. AI can build websites and fix bugs automatically. But AI will not replace everything. Doctors and nurses rely on trust, emotion, and human care. Electricians, plumbers, mechanics. Still very hard to automate. Creativity still belongs to humans. Stories, music, films, emotion. But every technology destroys jobs and creates new ones. The internet created YouTubers, app developers, social media managers. AI will do the same. Prompt engineers, AI trainers, automation specialists, virtual world designers. Many of these jobs don't even exist yet. So how do you survive this future? Learn AI tools. Don't fear them. Focus on creativity. Because AI can generate content, but humans create ideas. Build a personal brand. Because people trust people. And never stop learning. Because the future belongs to those who adapt. AI is not just another technology. It is reshaping the world of work forever. Some jobs will disappear. Others will be created. So ask yourself, if AI can do your job, what will you do next? The AI era has officially begun. And the world may never be the same again. So subscribe and stay ahead of the future.